Welcome to a new exciting tutorial. This is a quick video tutorial to adjust photo color with PhotoKaya software. For those who haven't installed the software yet, the download link of the software is given in the description. So begin, we will open this photo, then move to the Adjustments tab in the PhotoKaya software. As this picture is very dark, and the saturation is very high. Now we will click once on the Auto Adjustment tool, and to fine-tune, adjust the opacity of the layer, and enlarge it again. Next we remove shadows from skin. Click once on this tool. I will take a flattened image once more. To brighten the dark areas of the image, I clicked the black restore tool once. I will take a flattened image once more. Click once on the Smart Sharpness tool to increase the sharpness of the image. This is a quick video tutorial to adjust photo color with PhotoKaya software. For those who haven't installed the software yet, the download link of the software is given in the description. We take a look at the before and after adjustment of the image, side by side. With PhotoKaya software you can not only edit photos but also design albums very easily. Video tutorial link on quick album design is given in the description box. So friends, you can check out some more video tutorials on photo adjustment on our channel. The link is provided in the description box. Don't forget to give the video a like if you find it useful. Thank you all.